Tunnel inspections are dangerous operations, traditionally conducted manually by inspectors walking through dark, damp, and dusty environments with apparent tripping hazards lined with gas and electricity lines. This Bionicsense solution, equipped with high-resolution cameras and specialized sensors that can quickly and safely provide highly accurate and detailed 3D mapping of underground terrains. Bionicsense can be deployed to inspect potentially hazardous underground areas, such as unstable tunnels or confined spaces with no GNSS, and minimizing the need for workers to physically enter these high-risk environments. Bionicsense drone can conduct inspections, collect data, and deliver real-time insights, optimizing project management and decision-making processes. This solution is designed and assembled by IntelliFly, and many companies trust Bionicsense visual self-driving system. Speak to our experts and start deploying Bionicsense solution.